Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structure that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those price action levels and those price action structure for finding buy and sell opportunities in next week. So before going into the price action, as usually, we are going to start with the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report, and we generally look into the positions of the managed money or the hot money that we call them. So if we look at their position for this particular week, you can see that they increasing positions both in long and short. You can see this time they added a good number in long, and they also added good number position into the net short positions. So they increasing positions both in buy side and in sell side. Previously also, if we go back to previous report, let me show you. From here, if we go into the previous report, this was the previous week data. Previous week also, you can see they were adding into the long and short. So the sentiment from these position is not clear actually, but what we can assume, or what we can analyze from this data is actually at this chart. If we check the history range of around 1 year, this is the 1 year chart, and on 1 year chart of the net long and short positions, you can see for this period, you can see the net long positions is at a very high level currently. As you can see, this was the last high for this 1 year period, and currently the net long position is at a very high level. So what it is indicating, that the net open interest is currently going into a very high side. Let me show you the gold future open interest, and what we have to watch here is this line, this right over here, this blue line. So this is the net open interest on gold, or you can say on gold future actually. So what we have to check here, you can see that the number of open interest in gold future contract published Friday is currently, you can see, jumped near to 600,000. This number, so you can see it is jumped near to 600,000 contract for the first time since after 2022. So it is at a very high level, or you can say elevated level of contract, which puts gold at a higher risk of correction, because in previous or you can say, if we analyze the previous data of open interest, whenever open interest rise to a higher level in a short period, or in if we analyze it in 1 year period, whenever the open interest rise to a certain number, or if it goes in higher level, we have seen correction on gold chart, and we already seen the correction in Friday trading session, because the future traders, which are generally hedge funds and commodity traders, are called as hot money type that can move quickly, and we already seen the impact. The market is currently trying to flush them out, and we already seen the impact in Friday trading session. So if we combine the sentiment from the COT and the open interest data from the future gold future chart, it is currently generating the bearish sentiment. Now let's move on to the price action chart, and we will start with this candle, this on 11th July, because I have not uploaded the video for the last week, but I'll try to cover it within this video. So on 11th July, we have this candle. This was the candle during the CPI day, and on that day when the market get a new piece of data, means they pretty much have to react. Okay, with lower than expected CPI, we have seen a good rally on gold, and we have seen decline on dollar chart, because on that same day we also got a better than expected initial jobless claim report. In other words, the data confirmed that Powell was indicating that a rate cut is likely coming in September. So after the CPI data and in the combination of rate cut scenario, we have seen a good jump in gold price on this day, and after that we have seen some you can say retracement. But on this particular week, because on Sunday we have seen the assassination attempt on Trump, and you know that this created a chaotic movement in market, and after that we have seen a good continuation of previous week bullish run. So overall we have seen a bullish rally, but after making high near to this level 2483, price quickly reversed. So overall what we have to conclude actually, because people, or you can say traders, they are betting on the rate cut, and the data at that time was hot, and everyone knows that the inflation is getting down, but actually declining inflation is negative for gold. So after this rally and after a breakout on the all-time high, gold price reversed quickly. So overall it is currently in you can say in down phase again. Or if we analyze this daily candle chart, you can see currently the price break down this support trend line. Previously you can see gold price taking support on this trend line, but on Friday trading session the gold price break down from here, and now as per the daily, let me give you the idea how the price reversed from here. You can see after making a high on, after breaking out from this all-time high, this was this the candle, the price action candle. Let me show you what I have written. On this chart, first what happened here, the price breakout, then after this breakout, the another day, this right over here, this candle, this daily candle, you can see we got the price action confirmation, because this candle is a shooting star candlestick, which is a generally considered as a reversal candle when it form at a certain high level. And then after this we have seen that in the second day the price returned back under to previous high. So overall it is returned back into the previous consolidation zone. If we draw this zone like this, so overall it, after this fake breakout, the price is currently returned under this consolidation box, and more decline is possible. So what are the confirmation currently we have? If we switch this chart on weekly time frame, this was the daily time frame, and if we switch it on to weekly time frame, On weekly also we have the shooting star candlestick pattern, which is also you can say generating the bearish sentiment, and we can expect further decline. So what are the levels that we have to watch on intraday? Let me show you. We already discussed this in Telegram channel. So the current support on intraday is currently on 2395. We already discussed this level. This was the previous week pivot, and currently price taking support on this level. So what we can expect from here, that because the price is sustaining about this level, so we can expect a bullish move, but the higher time frame is in bearish side, so the bearish move can be can test what level we have to consider. Let me show you. If we draw Fibonacci from this high to this low, so the first level that we can look for sell is 2415, and the second level is 2428, and the main level that we have to consider is 2439, or roughly 2440. So under this level, because this is the golden Fibonacci zone right over here, so under this zone we can expect a decline. So overall we have to look for the selling opportunities on these level. Okay, yes, buy is possible on this level because price is taking support, and we can look for buy for scalping. For short term we can put stop losses below to this level, and we have to watch how price react then, and then we can look for buy. But overall, as it is in currently a selling pressure, and it can continue the selling pressure into downside, and for next week the pivot placement is at 2426. I'm talking about the weekly pivot, so the weekly pivot is at 2426. So below this we can expect a decline like this. So the first support that we have to watch on weekly is 2368 as per the pivot placement. So overall it is still showing that we can expect a decline. Before that we can see small rebound. Okay, so this is the chart that I want to discuss. Also I want to discuss the dollar chart, the scenario that we have seen on gold, the fake breakout. This right over here, this was a fake breakout on all-time high after 2450. If we draw this like this, so this was the fake breakout. From here, this was the fake breakout. Same we have seen on the dollar chart also. Dollar chart currently showing a good strength because it initially break down from the June low, but quickly rebounded from there, and currently it is moving higher. So dollar is showing some strength, and gold is showing bearish, or you can say bearish side. So we have to look for the selling opportunity as per the higher time frame. And what are the data that we have to watch for next week? Let's discuss that. On Tuesday we have existing home sales data. On Wednesday we have building permits. Also manufacturing PMI on Wednesday, service PMI Wednesday, new home sales Wednesday, and then on Thursday we have GDP data, then durable goods order, then core durable goods order, then initial jobless claims on Thursday. On Friday we have core PC. This is important data that we have to watch. So we will talk more about these levels and these data in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.